guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Savananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this very beautiful and pretty greeting card which is apt for every occasion, and I'm sure you guys would love it like anything. So in the outer layer we've sticked some amazing flowers, and in the inner layer we've made this beautiful heart pop-up flower. So give this video a big thumbs up, and now let's see the tutorial. For the first step, you have to take a tint blue, dark blue sheet and just fold it into half like this here, and then you have to take the scale and mark. You have to measure 7.5 on the compass, and we will keep it like this. In the center we will mark 10.5 centimeters, and on 10.5 we will keep the compass and draw a semicircle here like this. Now you have to cut out the semicircle. So this way I have cut out this semicircle. Now this is of no use. Now we have to fold it. Now I am taking an A5 size sheet of orange color. We are gonna stick it. Apply glue. Keep this sheet here like this. Just paste it over. Like this. Then we have some extra edges over here, so you have to cut those. Like this. Just keep it like this. Now what you have to do is, we have to take two pink sheets. So this is of 7.5 by 7.5 and this is of 6.5 by 6.5. So now what you have to do is, first we will take the sheet of 6.5. We will fold this like this in a square form from both the sides. Now we will do it like this. Fold it, keep it like this, and we will fold it like this to form a snowflake fold. I discovered it some days ago. This is also another kind of snowflake fold. And now what you have to do is, draw this kind of shape and just cut it out. Like this. You have to cut out and open it now. It will be like this. Like this. You have to cut it out on the 7.5 sheet also. So now I've cut both of these, and now what you have to do is, take a pencil and curl the flower strips like this. Sorry for my hands, because of Holi the color is still there. So like this, you have to curl it out like this, and now on this sheet you have to stick this like this. Like this I've sticked it, and now what you have to do is, you have to just press it up like this. to give it a more pop-up effect. And now in the center apply some fevicol, sticking this small pearl here, which is of purple color. So here in the center I will stick this, and now we'll press it. Now make two more flowers like this, and in total we have 3 of them. Now you just have to place these 3 like this here. First this one. Now stick the rest 3 also like this. And the third one also like this. Apply a little more glue. So we've applied it, and now for the leaves. I made these leaves, so how we will stick it? We just have to paste one here and the other one under it like this. Like this, do in all 3. Like that. This I have done in all 3. And now for the inside part, what we have to do is, first of all, here on this orange part, I will be writing have a nice day, because this card can be used for any occasion. Mostly I'm making it for Mother's Day, so you can write here Happy Mother's Day, and here you can decorate it like that. And now for the inside part we will be moving on. I will be taking this sheet of 8 by 6 centimeters. We will be folding it into half. Now what you have to do is, now we will draw a heart on this sheet of paper, and now we have to cut it out. You have to make this part connected. As you can see I'm doing. I'm not cutting off this part. So once you have done it, open it, and now you have to make 3 more like this. So there will be total 4. Now what you have to do is, first I will take one heart and I will apply glue and stick it here. Then the second heart also, glue it, stick it just near the first one. They will also pop up like this. Take the third one, stick it here. We are making a heart flower. Now take this one and paste this here. So these all will pop up like this. Now what you have to do is, make them open like this. Then I am taking these pearl stickers which I have. These are big pearls. I will place all of them here, and in the center I will be sticking this pearl to make a flower. Now you have to cut a long stem for the flower. Like here I've cut it. And now just stick it like this here inside a flower. It's like this. Now cut some leaves, a little popping up leaves. Paste them like this here. and this looks very pretty. Now what we have to do is, I am gonna decorate this with some pearl stickers. So like this, in the ending also you have to stick it and remove the red. So like this, a very pretty and beautiful greeting card is ready. So give this video a very big thumbs up and comment down below how is the card. And bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video.